I am driving up 85 in the kind of morning that lasts all afternoon. I'm just stuck inside the gloom. 4 more exits to my apartment, but I am tempted to keep the car.
Hello, I think Chandigarh. Welcome to the month of June. I know it doesn't look like, you can see lots of rain here and lots of crazy things happening around you, but I'm standing right in front of the ISEC in Chandigarh office to show you what lies in front of you, what lies with you, and what we can do in the office. So let's start. Let's see what ISEC in Chandigarh is made up of, what you can do in the office. I'll give you a short glimpse because I want you to come and figure out for yourself what is ISEC in Chandigarh office made of and what we actually can do with the ISEC in Chandigarh office. What I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you a glimpse of the office, what's been happening in the last 3-4 days. There's something known as I Am an Officer campaign, which you guys have been told about, and I'm just going to give you again some more things to think and come here, rush to the office right now as soon as you finish watching the video. Alright, come along with me. There you go, our lovely office door opens and I give you a sneak peek of ISEC in Chandigarh office. Come along with me. Come along. This is the ISEC in Chandigarh office. Here I would start with an amazing wall education sector has made, and it's just crazy. Like see, GNC, ET, their imprints. These are the things which really drive your team. So come and do the similar thing. I don't know what TT, BAP, ET, Project Snare are waiting for, but really like this is the thing. Alright, let's talk to a member who's working really hard in the office. Hello Rishabh, can you tell us what you're up to in the office?
I'm doing some very important work because I am an officer.
Alright, okay, so come along with me. You can see we have lots of computers lined up here. Good, if you can just show what all you've done for the ISEC in Chandigarh office, which are 4 computers lying right here. And you can see our cultural diversity, and I really like our picture like this. But anyway, let's go in and let's give you a preview of what is happening in the executive body room. Come along, come along. Alright. There you go, that's Nishan who's taking care of all the magic phone calls we're getting from different countries. You can come along. You can see this is the executive body room. All the AV members come here every morning at 10 o'clock and come and work here. That's Darshan, that's Deepit, and this is our nice executive body hall, where we're trying to put up all the good things about ISEC in Chandigarh. There you can see right now Bal Kalagar is going crazy, so we're trying to get that in place. And besides that, good luck guys, keep on working. Alright, this is our meeting room where a lot of members just come for meetings, and let's give you a sneak preview what you can do with this room. Alright, so guys, can you tell us what you're up to in the office right now?
Oh Sahil, you're so sexy. I want to be just like you.
What are you guys up to in the office right now?
All of them are up to something really, really cool. But to actually know that, you need to be here because
For a reason, there's no reason not to ask yourself if you are living it right. Are you living it right?
Alright, hello ISEC in Chandigarh, greetings from the ISEC in Chandigarh office. We're sitting right here in the month of June, which is the craziest month for any LC across the ISEC network. Just wanted to give you a short key message through this video. Right now, we are into a lot of things in the LC. There's an event happening, Bal Kalagar. There are crazy things going in your departments. All I want to tell you guys is there is one special place where you can come and live ISEC each moment. Whether it's your department meeting, whether it's just like painting a wall which you just saw in the video, whether it's just meeting fellow ISECers around, whether it's just jiving, whether it's ordering a Domino's pizza, we all want to do it together and we all want to do it the ISEC way. And I'm right now inviting all of you to the office. Come as soon as you can for this crazy month of June. Let's all enjoy ISEC together like these crazy people are behind me. And one again key message, the memories which always remain are the ones when you remember enjoying whatever you're doing. And if you're not enjoying what you do, it's not worth it. So come to the ISEC office, let's have fun, let's match, let's do a lot of other things which I'll tell you personally in ISEC. And that's it from here. I'm signing out and look forward to see you at the office because there's a very exciting campaign going on which is known as I Am an Officer campaign. ISEC Chandigarh is challenging you to be an officer and go crazy and have fun. So come to the office, we're all waiting for you. See ya.
Living it